Welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you have to select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go in with this one to show you how you can do that, and just press for a while on your screen with your finger by this way. And here you'll see the widgets section. Now you can see all the available widgets at the same time. At this time, what you can add. For example, we'll go in the clock. You can move this widget on your screen here, also between the screen. That doesn't matter. You can change the size of the widget by this way. Just press for a second. And now you can see that you can change the size. Also, we'll just add one more widget. For example, the different one like calendar. And you can see that we can change the size of this calendar, also like the clock, by this way. If you want to just remove the widget from your screen, just tap for a while on the widget and move that to the remove icon, and as can you see, it's gone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.